The Poisson distribution. In statistics, there's a distribution called Poisson. It models the number of events occurring in a space of time. So let's begin this Python statistics tutorial so you can learn how to draw from this discrete distribution. So first I need to import Numpy as np because that's where the Poisson random distribution will be held. And so you can visualize this, I'm going to import pyplot from matplotlib. Okay, let's do our first draw. We'll do np.random.poisson with the number 4, and it came out to be 4 events that occurred, but if we plug this in again, it could be different. In fact, we get 6. We can also do np.random.poisson and put in an extra number, so 5, 3. That will give us 3 different draws. Okay, let's take the np.mean of np.random.poisson with the mean as 1 and many different draws, and of course that's going to come out to be very close to 1. And let me go ahead and change this to var for variance, and I'll make sure that is the unbiased variance that we plug in, and this comes out close to 1 as well. So you can definitely see that if the average number of events is 1 in a given time period, then when you draw that many times, you're going to get close to 1 for the mean and variance. So let me do plt.hist so you can visualize what's going on here. This will just be a histogram of the Poisson with mean 1. Let's do plt.show. Okay, so here is the histogram. You'll notice that you can't have negative events occurring within the time interval, so the lowest it can be is 0. And the average number of events is 1 if you sum these all up together and divide it by the number. So you'll see that 0, 1, and 2 are approximately the most popular here, but it does go up to about 6 events occurring within the time interval. But there you have it. That is the secret to the Poisson distribution and how you can draw from it in Python. Thanks for watching this Python statistics tutorial. For more videos about statistics and how you do them in Python, check out this playlist I have right here. And if you like what you see, please subscribe.